Okay, so we are here with our registered PLS, NPE, and president of First Capital Engineering, John Luciani. Because it is National Surveyors Week, we are going to talk with him a little bit about what it means to be a surveyor, why they're important in the community, and of course, the question that everyone has on their minds as a homeowner: why should I get my property surveyed, and why can it be so expensive? So, without further ado, John, tell us a little bit about yourself and your experience as a professional land surveyor.
I started off in the engineering business more than 3 decades ago, involved with surveying, and I decided more than 10 years ago to become a registered surveyor. So I decided to sit for the exam in both Pennsylvania and Maryland. I did that, and working as a professional land surveyor also for the last 10 years or so.
Okay. And the type of surveying that you do, it's all across the board, I assume. It's with municipalities and for land development, things of that nature. So what is a surveyor, and why are they important when it comes to community development?
A surveyor is a licensed professional who works with property lines primarily here in Pennsylvania and in other states. And they're the only ones who could create or locate officially property lines. Our first surveyors, while we honor Surveyors Week, it's the month of March, is because George Washington and Abraham Lincoln and people like that, they were certainly the early surveyors, and that's the most valuable asset a property owner has, is property. And whether it be a quarter-acre lot or a 1,000-acre lot, knowing where those property lines are is important both to the homeowner and to the adjoiners. You cannot cut a tree down. You can't build a driveway or a building without knowing where your property line is.
Okay. So that's the importance of certainly them being in the community, pretty much to have everyone know where everything is, especially when it comes to home ownership. So that leads me to my next question. Why is it important that we as homeowners get our homes surveyed by a professional land surveyor?
Again, it's the biggest investment a homeowner has, and if they don't know where their property line is, they don't know what they actually own or don't own.
Okay. And why are surveys so expensive nowadays? It seems like people have to penny pinch wherever they can, but of course, as you said, it's a big investment and it's a valuable one as a homeowner. So again, why are surveys tend to be so expensive?
First, the person that does the work has to be a trained professional. Secondly, surveyors, because they're licensed by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, have to continue to take continuing education units. You have to buy software for computers. It's all done that way. The vehicles that we use are unique vehicles. And most importantly, the instruments we use are high-tech instruments today. They're very, very expensive. Our instrument costs more than my first house. Those things need to be calibrated and updated with software also. So those pieces of equipment and the technology that goes into it makes it simpler, but also makes it very costly.
For more information about our services, please visit our website, www.fcap.com.